taking my sweet time, feels right, living in the moment, yeah. 'Cause I know where I'm going, I'm taking my sweet time, each time.
Gathering raindrops is fun, picking them down one by one. Winter is here and our cloud tree appears full of droplets of rain for everyone. My bucket is blue, yours is red. Our ladders reach over our heads. Climb to the top, reach the very last drop. Swing our pails along the trails. We laugh so loud we can't stop. Follow me and we'll flow like the wind, flow like waterfalls. Together splashing puddles with our feet, we could sail down the street. Lovely rain, come again.
You're a different kind of beautiful. Run my hand through your hair in the morning, it's unusual. The way your skin glows on the pillow, I can't get enough of you. Every day's a honeymoon, let me show you. I'll pull you closer, I just wanna stay in love with you. I don't wanna fall for someone new, 'cause baby you're my sunshine, my treasure, just keeps getting better. Baby you're so irresistible, dancing in the kitchen, crying in my arms, fighting in the car, making up and kissing. I love every shade of you, every moment feels brand new. Let me hold you when you are alone.